Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Here we have to enter the privacy option, so let's tap on it and now let's scroll down. As you can see in the advanced section, on the very first position we've got encryption and credentials, so this is the option we're looking for, and at the very bottom we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap. Here your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so just confirm it with OK, and if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So let me do it, and as you can see the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got the evidence, we cannot tap on this option anymore. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.